Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an oil change on a 2021 Honda Accord LX Hybrid. This is a 4-cylinder 2.0 liter engine. This engine takes 0W20 and the oil filter is M1-110A from Mobil 1. And the tools I'll be using today is a 3/8 ratchet with a 17mm socket, 6-inch extension, and an oil filter tool to remove the oil filter. First, what you want to do is open your engine hood and then remove the oil filter cap. Sometimes the oil filter cap can be hard to take off, so you need a plier to use it to open it, like that. Next, you want to lift up your dipstick for better airflow when you drain out the oil. So next, get underneath your vehicle and you want to locate your oil filter right there and your drain plug right over there. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the oil filter. Put the oil filter tool here and use my ratchet with the extension to remove the oil filter. Make sure lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I'm removing the oil filter right now. To turn left. And now loosen the oil filter, let it drain. Once the oil is done draining from the oil filter, go ahead and wipe it up. Make sure to pre-lube your oil filter gasket with new oil or old oil, that's fine. So that'll be easier when you remove your oil filter next time. Just hand tighten this oil filter. Next, you want to loosen your drain plug. It's 17mm. So once the oil is done being drained, go ahead and replace your gasket, drain plug gasket, if you have one. If not, I usually reuse it 3 times before I replace a new one. So go ahead and plug it up. Make sure to clean off any oil that's down here. Then tighten this drain plug. Next, go ahead and refill your engine oil. I'm going to put 4 quart in and then I'm going to recheck it. So I turn on the engine, I let the engine run for about a minute, and then now I'm going to check my dipstick, make sure the oil is in on the level. It's about 1/4 on the low to the high, so it's right about here. So I just need to refill some more. So I just refilled 1/2 quart. So this engine takes 4.5 quarts. Oh, by the way, I did check the dipstick. It was about 3/4 to the full mark. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's right about here. So next I'm going to turn on my engine. And then I'm going to go to use this steering wheel control. Make sure to press home. Once you press home, you go to this menu right here. You use the scroll wheel right here, the wheel to go up and down, and you go find maintenance right here. So if you're right around here, then you go to maintenance and then you press down on that scroll wheel right here. And then you go to your oil life and press down again. And then you want to reset the maintenance light, item B. And there you go. That's how you reset the oil maintenance light.